In this video, I will show you how to download Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on your PC. First, click on the search box in the taskbar and search for Microsoft Store. Open it, then use the search bar at the top and search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Once you find the game, open its page and check the available purchase or installation options. If the game is available in your region, click Get or Install, choose the drive where you want to install it, and start the download. If the game isn't available in your region on the Microsoft Store, close the window and open Google Chrome. Search for Steam. Open the official Steam website and use the search bar to find Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Open the official game page, check the details, and if it's available for purchase, click Add to Cart and complete the payment through Steam. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 is a large game, so make sure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game and start playing. And that's how you can download Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on your PC.